Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect to an FX PLC using the FX USB AW card. First thing we're going to do is open up the software GXWorks 2, and we're going to want to either read from the PLC or connect to the PLC. So you have options here. You can either read from the PLC using this icon here, or you can go to Online Read from PLC. Or you can create a new project, select FX, and then select your connection destination. For our purposes, we're just going to read from the PLC. So I already have the FX PLC connected over USB to the serial port on the FX, and I'm going to select FX as the PLC series. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to get my transfer setup connection window to show up. Now keep in mind that this is actually a serial connection to the front port, which is an RS422 port on an FX1S, FX1N, FX2N, or FX3U PLC. Here up at the top I'm going to have my serial USB port, and you'll see here in parentheses it mentions include FX USB AW. This also applies for the USB BD board. This is still a serial communication, so I'm going to select a COM port. Now in order to determine what COM port your computer is using for that, you're going to have to go into your computer settings. So I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to also cancel this, and I'm going to minimize the software here, and we're going to go into the device settings by clicking on hardware and then device manager, and we're going to go down to our ports COM LPT, and you'll see here FX USB AW. It's assigned to COM 3. So now we know where that is located. So if we go back into the GXWorks 2 software, read from PLC, select FX. Now we can select the correct COM port as COM 3 and say OK, and then do a connection test. And you'll see we're connected. That's pretty much all there is to it. If there are any other additional questions, feel free to contact the phone number at the end of this video. Otherwise, thank you, and we'll see you next time.